Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Muddy who was fascinated by the stars and the mysteries of the universe. He had always wanted a telescope to explore the cosmos and study the night sky. So, he asked his parents for a telescope for his birthday. His parents wanted to surprise him with the best telescope possible, but they didn't know much about telescopes themselves. So, they decided to do some research to find the best telescope for beginners like Muddy. They started by looking online for telescopes and came across a wide range of options from small and inexpensive models to large and expensive ones. They realized they needed to know more about telescopes to make an informed decision. They turned to their trusted friend, Tejas, peace be upon him, who was an astronomer, and asked for his advice. He explained that there were three main types of telescopes: refractors, reflectors, and compound telescopes. Refractors were good for observing the moon, planets, and stars, but they tended to be expensive. Reflectors were good for viewing deep space objects, like galaxies and nebulae, but they were more difficult to set up and use. Compound telescopes, on the other hand, combined the best of both worlds, but they were the most expensive. Tejas also explained that aperture size was an important factor to consider when choosing a telescope. The larger the aperture, the more light the telescope can gather, and the better the image quality will be. However, larger apertures also mean larger telescopes and higher costs. Muddy's parents decided to go for a reflector telescope with a moderate aperture size, as it was a good compromise between image quality and cost. They also made sure to choose a telescope with a stable mount, as this would make it easier for Muddy to observe the night sky without the image shaking too much. On Muddy's birthday, he was thrilled to receive his first telescope. He spent hours outside, gazing at the stars and exploring the wonders of the universe. He even started a YouTube channel and shared his passion for astronomy with his subscribers. Thanks to his parents' research and the advice of their friend, Tejas, peace be upon him, was able to choose the perfect telescope for beginners, and his love for astronomy only continued to grow.